In previous videos, we have learned the properties of air and water. In this video, we will learn properties of soil. Physical properties of soil. Color, texture, and water holding capacity are physical properties of soil. Color. The color of particular land is depend upon the color of soil. Different colors of soil are black, red, copper, yellow and grey. Second property, texture. According to texture, soil is classified as sandy soil, silt soil and clay soil. In sandy soil, proportion of large particles of sand is more. In silt soil, particles are of medium size, and in clay soil, proportion of small particles is maximum. Plowing in the sandy soil is very easy. Soil is less fertile. Particles are made up of the silicon dioxide. Silt soil is not easily plowable. It contains a large proportion of organic materials. It has good capacity to supply the nutrients. Therefore, it is also called as sedimentary soil. Clay soil is difficult to plow. The particles of the clay soil are smooth to touch. It has high water holding capacity. Soil structure and importance of soil structure. Structure of soil occurs in the form of columnar, laminar, granular as well as block shaped structures. These structures depends upon the different shapes of the particles in it. The fertility of soil depends upon the soil structure. Advantages of good soil structure. Roots are supplied with the good amount of oxygen. Good water drainage, good growth of plants root are the advantages of good soil structure. Some useful types of soil. China clay or kaolin. It is used for making crockery, bathroom tiles, tanks, laboratory apparatus and jars. Shadu soil. It is used to make statues and idols. Terracotta soil. It is used to make decorative articles and pots used for the growing plants. Multani soil is used in the cosmetics. Soil testing. Soil testing is done to find out the proportion of the various ingredients of the soil and to decide the fertility of soil. During soil testing, different parameters are checked like color, texture and the proportion of organic matter present in the soil. The soil sample collected for testing is dried in an open space in the shade for 8 to 10 days and later shifted through a sieve. The pH and electrical conductivity tests are important to determine the soil characteristics. Acidic soil, neutral soil or alkaline soil are the three types of the soil based on the pH of the soil. Causes of diminished soil fertility. Soil pH less than 6 or higher than 8. If the pH of the soil is less than 6, then it is acidic soil, or it is higher than 8, then it is alkaline soil. Both type of the soil, that is acidic and alkaline soil, are not useful for the agriculture. Second, organic matter present in low proportion. Third, improper drainage of water. Fourth, repeated cultivation of the same crop. Fifth, continuous use of saline water. Sixth, excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. These are causes of the diminished soil fertility. When chemical fertilizers are used in excess, the soil texture is disturbed. Such land becomes unsuitable for sowing. To avoid this, crop rotation is done. It helps in maintaining the fertility of the land. Student, up to this point, we have learned the different properties of natural resources, that is, properties of air, water, and soil. I hope you enjoyed the videos and learned these properties.